Hello people, my name is Faisal Jaman and today's video will be very important, very interesting because coupon code. So coupon code can be generated to give product discount to customer in this WooCommerce WordPress website. It's appear to that you want to increase your sale by giving discount on of your product as a festival. And when your customer uses that desired coupon, the price will be less and price will be decreased, and this system and WooCommerce can be done very easily. So today's video will be that. So let's get started with the video. First of all, as you can see, this is actually log in your WordPress admin dashboard and go to your admin area. This is the actually admin area WordPress website actually, and navigate to WooCommerce settings. This is the WooCommerce settings, and this is the WooCommerce not marketing. You just see this marketing section. Navigate this marketing and click this coupon. This is the tab of this coupon, and click this coupon tab. And here you can see this is the create your first coupon. You can create unlimited coupon as a specific coupon. You can create a generate coupon code. This is the generate coupon code, and if you set manually, if you set it actually that would be anything. Actually fill your coupon detail here. You can set it a new customer or sale 2024, sale 2024, and that would sale, that would be capital letter, sale 2024, and for this 2024, and you can set it you can set a message over here. So this coupon CUOUPON coupon for happy new year. All right, so you can set it as a message. Okay, so later you can understand of which this coupon what's the purpose of this coupon. You can see this message over here actually. Okay, and then you can see over here discount type. So discount type, here you can see the percentage and product discount and fixed cart discount. And if you select percentage and select the first of all, you can select this first product, the fixed product discount. And if you have a product actually, that would be anything, and this is the product actually, this is the product. And if you want to say this product is $9, okay, I will just coupon for this less $2. Okay, people can buy with $7. Okay, so this is a fixed amount product. Okay, and this is a fixed cart discount. You don't need to do anything over here. Just click percentage. That means if you select 50% discount, and when you purchase this product, and this product will be 50% discount, and you can do it very easily. And this is a coupon expiry date. Expiry date means this coupon how many time will running, how many time will it run. Okay, so you can set it very easily, because today is February 5 2024, and this is the February 5. This coupon will be running 10 February, and the 10 February will be running 10 February will be expiry date of this coupon. Okay, and if you just go to this, if you just navigate this option, this is users restriction. This is the minimum spend or maximum spend, and as you can see, this is the product of $9. Okay, so if you think that this is only $9 product, if I discount this product, that would be your lost project. Okay, so in order to do, you can do it. This is a minimum spend. So if your customer spend only $100, you can give this product this discount. Okay, and this is the maximum will be $1,000. So $1,000 above $1,000, actually after $1,000 this coupon code will not work. So this is as it is. You can it's up to you whatever you want and which product you would like to actually discount. You can set it manually. So this is a Dove, Dove, and I would like to discount this product and only this product. You can select it to only two product, and you can marketing this product, this Dove. If your customer buy only this product, this coupon, this is the sales 2024 will apply for this coupon. Rest of this product will not apply this coupon, not approve this coupon actually. Okay, and this is the exclude product. That means I will delete the product, this one, exclude product. Okay, so suppose this is your entire product. Here, as you can see, showing the 3 result. Here would be 1000 or 500, any type amount of product. Okay, so if you just some exceptional product, you just don't need to coupon for this. You don't need to do coupon to apply from your customer. If you don't need apply, if you don't wanna sell, if you don't wanna discount for this particular product, you can accept this product, Dove Notion, and you just click, just set Dove this product. I don't wanna give any discount of this product. You can do it. Okay, and this is a category. That means which category product. Actually, if you go to this dashboard option and go to product and this category, and here are some category. I have already told you everything in this previous video. That is how to create category. And if you don't wanna just discount this particular category, that would be beauty and personal care, and here I have only suppose 5, 10 or 20 product. Suppose any customer going to this category product, and this category all product will be apply this coupon code. Okay, so suppose this is the beauty and personal care. If you can select it, I don't want this use, I don't want this one. I just only show you, I just want to set it this one, product category. Okay, this is the exclude category. This is the same thing I have already told you, excluded product and excluded category. Excluded category, that means you don't wanna apply. Actually this is the body wash category, don't wanna apply the coupon. Okay, this is the exclude. Okay, so this is a limited users limit. Users limited means one people how many time can apply this coupon code. So if you set it unlimited users, if you just leave it this blank option, that means unlimited users. You can set it one time will apply for each particular user. Okay, so there's the all thing, and this is the user 1. You can set it to 1. Okay, done, and then click publish. And if you go to this marketing option overview, coupon, this is the coupon actually. Okay, so if your customer use this coupon code, and it will some discount, that is 50% discount. Okay, so try this one. So go just copy this one, and if I go to my website, this is a website going to shop, and which one I have excluded, included. I just show product category, beauty and product category. Okay, I just leave all those stuffs. Okay, I just click update. I want to just leave it 50% percentage discount. Okay, just refresh it, and any product, if I select this one, and I have already show you how to. Now I just want to this one. Okay, just click add to cart, view cart. Okay, Dove. Okay, I just want to apply one. Okay, so just click process checkout and apply coupon code. Okay, just click apply and place this code. This is a 50% discount. Okay, apply. Minimum amount spent $100. As you can see, I have already set it over here, restriction $100. So this is only $9. That is not possible, right? So I just delete all those stuffs. And if I refresh this checkout page, and if I again apply the coupon code and click apply, after a 50% discount, that will be $1, $1.35, 1.35 cent is less. This is the current amount of $7.65. And then if your customer can order the place through any payment gateway, that would be Stripe, that would be PayPal, that would be bank, anything over here. If you have if you have more and more payment gateway, you can set it very easily in WooCommerce. Okay, WooCommerce have versatile systems, so you can do it anything in WooCommerce. Okay, actually, and lastly click the place order, and it will redirect to this is the actually order received. Okay, order received. This is the memo. Okay, and if you go to this page, there will be WooCommerce order section, and right now I have placed this one. Okay, 7.65, this one. Okay, this is the processing, and I just click complete. and this is the 1.35 is coupon code is applied, and this is the order total. Okay, so now click complete and click update. After you can shift to this address. Okay, I think you can understand all those steps. If you think this video is very helpful, please comment below, and if you think don't like this video, please also comment below. So thank you very much.